In this video, we're going to show you how you can change your engine air filter on a 2021 Subaru XV Crosstrek. The first step is to open the door and pop the hood with the hood latch being located on the driver's side footwell. We'll come over to the front of the bumper. We'll raise the bumper slightly, and we'll go ahead and remove our hood latch by pushing the hood latch towards the passenger side and raising the hood. We'll then grab our hood securing and we'll just go ahead and clip it right in here. From there, you'll be working on the passenger side of the engine compartment to remove this. Now, I typically will just go ahead and remove this mass airflow sensor connector by first pressing the connector in, depressing the tab, and then pulling the tab out. This is going to allow for easy connection and removal. I'll put this down and out of the way, remove my two top clips, and then I'll just very gently pull forward and out, and that will allow me to gain access to my air filter, which I can then gently move out of the way to remove. Now, if you're having a little bit of difficulty here, you can go ahead and unscrew this little 8mm screw and remove this portion of the box, and be sure that you'll have to remove this bottom little clip here if you want to, but you actually don't need to. You can just grab the whole assembly and just move it back just a little bit so that you can go ahead and sneak out your air filter. Now, for reinstallation, you're going to do the complete opposite of what you just did. You're going to go ahead and push this out of the way just a little bit and drop your air filter back in, making sure that it sits nice and flush. Then you'll put the little tabs in, clip it back together, reinstall your two upper clips, which secures the airbox closed, and then grab your little connector and push it in so you hear an audible click, and then shut your hood and you're good to go.